I had this idea. Every Sunday at 6 p.m. there's a free community yoga class on the beach in Delray. I want to capture the calm, the ocean breeze, and the peaceful energy of yoga from above. The first time I went, the weather had other plans. It was windy, cloudy, almost stormy. I asked the instructor if I could film, and she kindly said yes, but we decided to just enjoy the session that day. The next weekend, I came back. This time, I let her know I'd be filming from a nearby park, giving the class space while still capturing the moment. I filmed a bit of my setup. Here's me taking off. I used a mix of wide aerial and detailed movement shots to show the flow of the class without interrupting the piece. Shots from directly above, capturing symmetry in the group and movement. Master shots, combining slow, cinematic pans with orbiting views. Flyovers from the side and behind, keeping a soft distance to avoid being disruptive. And lateral sweeps, gliding from the side to reveal the ocean behind. Here's the not so fun part, getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. Here's the final video I created for the yoga teacher to share with the group, and some photos at the end. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, feel free to leave a comment or share it. I've got more coming soon.